Warning: read and follow all labels and the owner's manual.
What if you could create a weld fume capture zone that's 3 times larger than traditional fume extraction systems? With exclusive ZoneFlow technology, operators no longer need to constantly adjust the arm to keep it close to the source for effective fume capture. They could focus on welding and stay in their zone, increasing arc on time and productivity. Designed for the many different welding environments where operators perform their work, ZoneFlow Technology allows users to control the capture zone with dual fans, ensuring that no matter how they're positioned, weld fume is captured. To optimize ZoneFlow Technology, follow these guidelines. Be sure the operator's body is positioned to keep their head out of the weld fume. Properly place the ZoneFlow hood in front of or at the side of the weld area to draw fumes away from the operator. To maximize the extraction zone, angle the arm at 30 to 45 degrees off horizontal. Do not position the hood behind the operator or in any other place that will cause the weld fumes to be pulled across the operator. Minimize cross airflow by closing doors and windows or utilizing weld screens or curtains. Stay in your zone and move your productivity forward while keeping your operators and environment protected. ZoneFlow Fume Extraction Technology. Every welding environment is different and needs to be evaluated by a qualified industrial hygienist to determine the appropriate course of action for fume controls. For more information, visit millerwelds.com.